what I like in cinema can change time totally. And I love, for example, the cinema of Lavrič, when you are 12 hours in the cinema, but it doesn't feel like 12 hours. It shifts, and you can watch a 30-minute film which feels like a year.
Like you could also say, you know, like that kid before escaping from his father and in the small bike, in the tricycle, no, and the father just chasing him to try to not having the kid killed in the middle of the street.
One thing I know that is it is good to people every time they write their life, because it's look like a routine and every day, but then after 1 year, after 2 years, or after 2 years, when you saw your past and you read your writing, your memories, and then you know, oh, here is a lot of things happen that is important, not at that time, but now they are very important.
Da smo samo 5 minut na tem svetu, ne? Pa dajmo se med malo fajn, pa napravimo to, poglej, če bi vsak človek delal, se izražal, ne? Čuba zanimiv svet bi bil.
In my opinion, you have to really have a strong passion. You cannot never lose your passion, and you have always to try to keep arise your curiosity. That means that you know, like, I think that the most curious people, the most curious being are the kids, are the children, no? So that is to say a little bit that you have to keep that part alive in yourself, so that you never underestimate the power of reality, no? The power of that a story could be. For how even if in a first moment could appear very simple and not important, but then depending from your point of view and thanks to your curiosity, it could become a great story.
This genuinely scares me.
Give me a little bit of a. You can put
What,
your
like a
arm
loose-
under my leg, the other
Which
one.
leg? This leg?
Yeah.
You got it?
But I think here in Europe, the stories come a little bit similar. The stories are similar because here is more than Afghanistan. People living routine, but not in Afghanistan. In Afghanistan, every year, every month happened different. Life of people get changed, and there happen big stories and big tragedies, and also big love stories, and I think this is the different, and I think we are very in past time, yeah, and here in the West, the time is going on.
We are very happy. We founded our small company 6 years ago, and we started with a room of 10 square kilometers with no costs.
Meters?
Kilometers? Yeah, we started in a castle.
In a castle, and now we have 3 castles.
Ja, to razumevanje, mislim, v umetnosti nimaš kaj za razumevanje. Mislim, v umetnosti lahko pogovarjamo, ne? To je super, ne? Ampak boš umetnost razumel, kako boš muziko razumel.
Good?
What I mainly wanted to say is that I can recommend, if you know what you want to do, to create this surrounding that is maybe close to a tiny laboratory where you find the right people and the right environment to that fits to what you want to do.
Da iščeš, ker bolj ko brskaš, bolj dobiš nazaj, ne, spet ta dialog. In potem, in to z majhnimi stvarmi, ne misli zdaj, da evo, zdaj bomo naredili nek presežek filmski. To je mogoče posledica, ne? Ampak tisto, kar je najbolj pomembno, je ta notranji občutek, da delaš to, kar imaš za delati. In takrat, kadar se to zgodi, veš. In tisto je več vredno kot ne vem kakšen uspešen, na zunaj presežek, ne vem kakšen, ali pa nagrada, ali karkoli.
If this is how I die, I'm actually quite happy.
Yeah, the most beautiful memory I have are always connected to encounters.
This can be so fascinating. I think often if you don't have a profession like photography, arts, something which is connected to observation, then you just don't take care about this. And it's okay, but I just enjoy to have the chance to watch the world like that.
Yeah, or while you were watching this, there was also, we were eating and there was a cat, quite fat actually, and she was perfect in very like smoothly climbing a tree, and above us was a roof, half transparent. So first we saw her climbing the tree, and then we just saw the shadow of her footsteps above us, and then she was lying with her full body. She was lying like on this roof, but it was semi-transparent.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
There you go.
You feel comfortable?
Yeah, it's okay. It's
Do
very
I
cool.
also have to be at this end?
Yeah. So we can like chit chat and stuff.
You know, obviously, I mean, I must do this do this precisation that I work in documentaries, not in fiction, and it's a choice. I mean, it's not by chance. No, I work in documentaries because I really love how reality can transform itself into something magic when you look at it from a certain point of view and you want to depict something or a part of that reality, no?
Mogoče v takih situacijah, kot je zdaj tle ta festival, kjer gledamo in predvsem tudi spoznavamo avtorje, da se zgodijo ti momenti, ko medtem, ko gledaš filme tujih avtorjev, začutiš v sebi nek odmev na ta dela, in zame je mogoče tudi to prijateljstvo, veš, ko se zgodi ta neka intuitivna povezava, včasih je z osebo, včasih je pa samo s filmom. In je spet ta dialog, ko se nekaj prebudi, ene misli v tebi, ki so ves čas že v tebi, ampak jih še točno tisti film ali pa točno tista oseba povleče ven. In zato so pomembna prijateljstva. Prijateljstva z ljudmi in s filmi.
Oh!
Hey Harvey!
In real life, I think we have to catch such a moment in real life. Is maybe the happiness time and the sad time. Is that it's come to your life. You want it or you don't want this. it's come to your life. When it's coming to bad time to me, every time, I just run to the football place, yeah, and just make the game and forget all the bad situation, and it's make it me very clear, very happy like this. Yeah, it's life, and you have to enjoy it from your life. Yeah, no another way.
Wait, Harvey, I'm gonna pull off the greatest move of all time.
No, dude, do not. No, dude. Leo, no. No, Leo, you're gonna break this hammer. Get out.
Do you see that dismount?
Ko smo šli mi na Kanin snemati za ta film, ne. In prvi dan smo prišli gor, je bila taka megla, da smo mi sami, ne. Spodaj pa sonce, ne. Drugi dan smo mi stali ob 4 zjutraj in smo šli mi gor na vrh. In na pol poti se ustavimo, ko je začelo sonce vzhajati. To je bil pa transcendentalni moment. Mi smo vsi vpihnili, veš, še nikoli, jaz veliko sonce vzhod videla, ampak v onem kamnitem svetu, ko ni nič, ko imaš ti samo špice na okolje, če ti nahvala. Gleda ta sonce. Mi smo vsi vpihnili, zdaj pa jaz razumem, zakaj so sonce čestitele, zdaj ne bi še tako bahali, to je jasno. To je bilo pa uno. Takrat si ti žival, človek žival, ne? Je samo organsko, nič ni, nobene simbolike, nič. Kruta narava, pa luč se pokaže, ne?
Yeah, it's just a fight about food, you know. It's about a fight who gets to be chef.
Who gets the food?
Who gets to be chef next day?
Next day, yeah. A nekje amplificirajo tele zvočnike?
Bolj ne.
Ne. Aha.
Hej! Bila sem si lase! Jej, bravo, Anja! Zdaj sem pod stresom, ker me rok snejem postavi.
A si zdaj kaj bolj pod stresom?
Varja 10 od 10 si to izbrala.
Bravo, Varja!
Indeed. He's hiding.